A chicken that really this easy to be touched, like caressing, patting, something like that. Even close his eye, it seems like it's completely relaxed after the party. Like he just leaned into my touch. Was so cute, right? Right? Ooh, did you like it? Did you like it? Oh no, this kitty's so cute. Actually, he just accepting my like petting. It was so cute to see my something that really a creature that really is supposed to be a white one, and now he's just even like a dog. I would say it's just so cute. I went. So face is kind of a little bit darker. Yep. Goodbye. Good night.